I'm in my profit and loss report from the last video. To get to your filters, click the Customize Report button on the top left-hand side and change to the Filters tab. We know we can change the date range in a report, but we can customize it further by filtering any possible field that we can think of. You can start filtering it by the fields on the left-hand side. It defaults to filtering it by account. Because I'm in my profit and loss report, it immediately has a filter based on all income and expense accounts. I can filter this too, however. In my list of accounts, I'll click the drop-down. From here, I can scroll and find any account that I like. For example, I can see how much I've spent on finance charges, or I can see how much I've made in my tasting parties. I've added this as a filter, and now you can see that the filter and that account setting has been updated to show the tasting party. I can further refine this by adding more filters. For example, I'll scroll down in the filter field and I'll choose Customer Type. Now I can click the drop-down next to Customer Types. From here, I can see if I'm making more money in tasting parties, in restaurants, or residential users. The filter appears on the right-hand side, and now I can click the blue OK button. My report automatically adjusts itself, and here's my results. If I want to change this filter at any time, I can click back on the Customize Report button, go back to the Filters tab, and change it. I'll click on Customer Type on the right-hand side, and here I can change it in the drop-down to the next one that I want to run the report on. I'll click OK, and the report updates itself again. I'll click back on Customize Report and change to the Filters tab one more time. I can stack up as much or as little as I need to drill down the information to exactly what I need to make it useful to me. I can also remove some of these filters by clicking on it and choosing Remove Selected Filter. Take some time and go through all these filters and realize that you can create amazingly powerful combinations to filter your data to make it very useful. From here, you can see where your business is coming from, where your strong points are, and where you shouldn't invest your money. For example, if in my customer class section, one of my downtown shops isn't selling any products of a particular type, I can stop selling it there. I'll click Cancel to get out of this, and I'll click X on the top right-hand side to close out of my report. I'll click No on the Memorize Report box, which we'll go over in the next video, and I'm brought back to the home screen as usual.